Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15 and in this video I will show you how to change date and time in BIOS on this laptop. So to do this, press the power button once to turn on your laptop, and once you press the power button, start immediately pressing F2 key until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. On the first main screen, you'll be able to change the time and date by selecting one of them using down or up arrow keys to change which value you want to choose which value you want to change. You can switch between them pressing the enter button, and to switch the value you can use either F5 to make the value smaller or F6 to make the value bigger. You can do this both with time and date, day, month, day, year, or hours, minutes and seconds. And once you're happy with the results, you can press F10 button to confirm and then press enter to exit saving changes. However, be aware that by changing dates and time, you enable yourself from using many online services that require date and time to be correctly set on your PC. Now, to exit discarding changes, press escape once and press enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.